Welcome all of you in our video class Janta High School and Junior College Shirur. Standard 8th. Mrs. Jagdale RR, subject Maths. Students, we have started our second topic, parallel lines and transversal, म्हणजेच समांतर रेषा आणि छेदिका. In this topic, we learned angles made by transversal, म्हणजेच छेदिकेमुळं तयार होणारे कोन. Now, which are that angles? Corresponding angles, संगत कोन, interior angles, अंतर कोन, interior alternate angles, म्हणजेच अंतर वितक्रम कोन, exterior alternate angles, म्हणजेच बाह्य वितक्रम कोन. Now, we have already learned about these angles. Now, we have to learn properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal in this video. म्हणजेच आपल्याला समांतर रेषा आणि छेदिकेमुळं तयार होणाऱ्या कोनांचे गुणधर्म या व्हिडिओमध्ये अभ्यासायचे आहेत. Now let's learn property of corresponding angles, म्हणजेच संगत कोनांचे गुणधर्म. सेकंड, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अल्टरनेट अँगल्स, वितक्रम कोनांचे गुणधर्म. थर्ड, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंटिरियर अँगल्स, म्हणजेच अंतर कोनांचे गुणधर्म. फर्स्ट, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स, म्हणजेच संगत कोनांचे गुणधर्म. See what is the property. Each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना जेव्हा एक छेदिका छेदते त्यावेळेस तयार होणाऱ्या संगत कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now see in the diagram, line PQ and line RS are two parallel lines and AB is the transversal which intersects these lines in points M and N respectively. Now, we have to see this property, corresponding angles. Now we know how to identify the corresponding angles. Then what our property tells? प्रॉपर्टीवरून आपल्याला काय समजतं तर दोन रेषांना म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषा जर आपण घेतल्या त्या समांतर रेषांना जर एक छेदिका छेदत असेल तर त्या छेदिकेमुळं तयार होणारे जे संगत कोनांच्या जोड्या आपल्याला मिळणार आहेत त्या एकरूप असतात म्हणजेच समान मापाच्या असतात. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट पेअर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स, angle AMP and angle MNR. These angles are congruent. Angle AMP congruent angle MNR. Second pair is angle AMQ and angle MNS. AMQ and MNS. Now angle AMQ and angle MNS are congruent, means their measures are equal. Now third pair, angle PMN is equal to angle RNB. PMN, this angle is equal to RNB. Next, angle QMN is equal to angle SNB. Means here we get four pairs of corresponding angles which are congruent due to the intersection of transversal two parallel lines. Now second property is property of alternate अँगल्स म्हणजेच व्युत्क्रम कोनांचे गुणधर्म. सी व्हॉट इज द प्रॉपर्टी. Each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना जेव्हा छेदिका छेदते त्यावेळेस छेदिकेमुळं तयार होणाऱ्या व्युत्क्रम कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now in this diagram also line PQ and line RS are two parallel lines and AB is the transversal which intersect these two lines in points M and N respectively. Now see the alternate angles. Students, we know how to identify the alternate angles. Now pair of first alternate angle is angle AMP and angle SNB. This is congruent pair. Angle AMQ and angle RNB. This is congruent pair. Angle PMN and angle MNS. This is also congruent pair. Last pair is angle QMN and angle MNR. Students, in this way we get four alternate angles here. From that, two are interior alternate angles and two angles are exterior alternate angles. Now these all four pairs are congruent. This is the property. As each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना जेव्हा छेदिकेनं छेदलेलं असतं त्यावेळेस तयार होणाऱ्या व्युत्क्रम कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now third property is property of interior angles म्हणजेच अंतर कोनांचा गुणधर्म. Let's see the property. Each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of supplementary angles. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेनं छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणाऱ्या अंतरकोनांच्या जोड्या पूरक असतात. आता पूरक असतात म्हणजेच काय, तर या दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते. अशा अँगल्सना आपण सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स असं म्हणतो. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेनं छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणारे जे अंतरकोनांच्या जोड्या आहेत त्या अंतरकोनांच्या जोड्या सप्लिमेंटरी असतात म्हणजे पूरक असतात. म्हणजेच त्या दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 इतकी असते. लेट्स सी द इंटिरियर अँगल्स. Now in diagram, line PQ parallel line RS and AB is the transversal which intersects these two lines in points M and N respectively. Now here we get pair of interior angles, angle PMN and angle MNR. This is the first pair. Now this pair is not congruent. This is सप्लिमेंटरी म्हणजेच अंतरकोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असत नाहीत तर अंतरकोनांच्या जोड्या पूरक असतात. म्हणजेच अंतरकोनांच्या मध्ये जे दोन कोन आहेत त्यांची बेरीज जी आहे ती 180 येते. सियर मेजर अँगल PMN प्लस मेजर अँगल MNR इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. See next pair of interior angles, angle QMN and angle MNS. This is the second pair of interior angles. Now this is also supplementary, means we can say that major angle QMN plus major angle MNS is equal to 180 degree. There are only two pairs of interior angles. Students, we are going to learn one example depending upon these properties. See example, one diagram is given. In the adjoining figure, line AB parallel line PQ. Line LM is a transversal. Measure angle MNQ is equal to 70 degree. Then find measure angle AON. Students, first of all see what is the question, which information is given to us and what we have to find. See here, line AB and line PQ, two parallel lines are given and line LM is the transversal of these two parallel lines. Now measure angle MNQ, here measure angle MNQ is given as 70 degree. And we have to find measure angle AON, means we have to find the measure of this angle, measure angle AON. Let's see how to solve this example. See here, measure angle MNQ is equal to measure angle ONP. See in the diagram, measure angle MNQ and measure angle ONP are equals. Why are these angles are equal? Because these are opposite angles. Opposite angles are congruents. म्हणजे विरुद्ध कोण हे नेहमी एकरूप असतात. Now angle ONP is opposite angle of angle QNM. Measure of angle MNQ is 70 degree. Therefore, we can say that measure of angle ONP is also 70 degree. See here, measure angle MNQ is equal to measure angle ONP is equal to 70 degree. We should write the reason as opposite angles. विरुद्ध कोण. Now measure angle AON plus measure angle ONP. See in the diagram, measure angle AON plus measure angle ONP is equal to 180. Why it is so? Now we have already learned the properties of इंटिरियर अँगल्स. म्हणजेच आत्ताच आपण अंतरकोनांचा गुणधर्म पाहिलेला आहे. जेव्हा दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिका छेदते त्यावेळेस तयार होणाऱ्या अंतरकोनांची जी जोडी आहे ती पूरक असते. म्हणजे त्या दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते. देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट ॲज मेजर अँगल AON प्लस मेजर अँगल ONP इज इक्वल टू 180. देन वी शुड राईट रीजन ऑल्सो इंटिरियर अँगल्स. Therefore, measure angle AON is equal to 180 minus measure angle ONP. Now, measure angle ONP is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, substitute the value of measure angle ONP in the example. Therefore, we get 180 minus 70. Hence, we get answer 110. Therefore, measure angle AON is equal to 110. See here, measure angle MNQ is equal to measure angle ONP is equal to 70 degree. Opposite angles. Opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, we can say that measure angle MNQ is equal to measure angle ONP is equal to 70 degree. Write the reason opposite angles. Now measure angle AON plus measure angle ONP is equal to 180 degree. Reason is interior angles. Therefore, measure angle AON is equal to 180 minus measure angle ONP. Now the measure of angle ONP is 70 degree. Therefore, substitute the measure of angle ONP is 17 given example, then we get 180 minus 70. Hence, we get answer 110. Means we can say that major angle AON is equal to 110. Students, we can solve this example by another method also. See what is the another method. See here, major angle MNQ is equal to 70 degree. This is given. Major angle MNQ is equal to 70 degree. This is given us in the example. Therefore, major angle NOB is equal to 70 degree. Now, this angle is 70. Therefore, angle NOB is equal to 70. Why it is so? Because these are corresponding angles. म्हणजेच हे संगत कोन आहेत. आताच आपण संगत कोनांची कसोटी पाहिलेली आहे. संगत कोनांचा गुणधर्म काय सांगतो तर दोन समांतर रेषांना एक छेदिका छेदते त्यावेळेस तयार होणारे संगत कोन एकरूप असतात. बाय दिस प्रॉपर्टी we can say that as the major angle MNQ is equal to 70 degree, major angle NOB is also 70 degree. We should write the reason as corresponding angles. Now, major angle AON plus major angle NOB. Now, see here, major angle AON and major angle NOB. These two angles form a linear pair. म्हणजेच हे दोन कोन रेषीय जोडी तयार करतात. Therefore, we can write as major angle AON plus major angle NOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, major angle AON plus 70 is equal to 180. Therefore, major angle AON is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. Means we can find the measure of angle AON easily, and measure of angle AON is 110. Students, in this video what we learn, see here, when two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, the angles formed in each pair of corresponding angles are congruent. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेनं छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणाऱ्या संगत कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. स्टुडंट्स, we know how to identify the corresponding angles in a given diagram. See here, angle AMQ and angle MNS. This is first pair of corresponding angle. Angle AMP and angle MNR. This is second pair. Now, angle QMN and angle SNB. This is third pair. And angle PMN and angle RNB. This is fourth pair of corresponding angles. Means we get four pairs of corresponding angles. Now, according to property, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angles formed in each pair of corresponding angles are congruent. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेनं छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणाऱ्या संगत कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now, about the second property, see here, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angles formed in each pair of interior angles are supplementary. जे दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेनं छेदल्यामुळे तयार होणारे अंतरकोन पूरक असतात. Now see in diagram which are the interior angles. See here, angle QMN and angle MNS. This is first pair of interior angles. And angle PMN and angle MNR. This is second pair of interior angles. Now these interior angles are supplementary. म्हणजेच अंतरकोनांची जोडी पूरक असते, म्हणजेच त्या दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते. Now about the third property. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the angles formed in each pair of alternate angles are congruent. दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेने छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणाऱ्या व्युत्क्रम कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now see here in diagram, angle QMN and angle MNR. This is first pair of alternate angle. Now PMN and angle MNS. This is second pair of alternate angle. These are interior alternate angles. Now see here angle AMP and angle SNB. This is for third pair of alternate angles. Angle AMQ and angle RNB. This is fourth pair of alternate angles. म्हणजेच दोन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेने छेदल्यामुळं तयार होणाऱ्या व्युत्क्रम कोनांच्या जोड्या एकरूप असतात. Now there is homework for you. One diagram is given here. We should draw this diagram and we have to solve this example. See what is the example. In the adjoining figure, line M parallel line N. Line L is a transversal. If major angle B is equal to x plus 15 and major angle E is equal to 2x plus 15, find the value of x. See here what is given. Line M and line N, these are two parallel lines, and line L is the transversal of these two parallel lines. Major angle B. B चं आपल्याला B या कोनाचं माप दिलेलं आहे x plus 15 and major angle E. This is also given, major angle E. This angle is given as 2x plus 15. Find the value of x. From given information we have to find the value of x. Students, you have to solve this example in your notebook. Thank you all of you.